This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Roblox reference numbers. A Roblox reference number is a unique identifier, much like a receipt, for your transactions or support inquiries. It helps Roblox track and verify specific activities on your account, ensuring everything is organized. Understanding this number is key to managing your Roblox experience effectively. Finding your reference number is straightforward. After making a purchase or submitting a support request, Roblox typically sends a confirmation email. This email will contain a transaction ID or a support ticket number, which is your reference. Always check your inbox, including spam folders, for these important communications. To use your reference number, simply provide it when communicating with Roblox customer support. Whether you are replying to an email or submitting a new inquiry about an existing issue, always include this number. It acts as a direct link to your case, allowing support agents to quickly understand and assist you with your specific concern. Remember these crucial tips for using your reference numbers. First, always double-check for accuracy when entering the number to prevent processing errors. Second, keep a secure record of all your transaction and support reference numbers. Finally, after submitting a support ticket, be patient. The initial email is usually an automated acknowledgement. A human response will follow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.